The Montana Office of Public Instruction has been working to support school districts around the state as they're responding to the pandemic. MTN's Jonathan Ambarian spoke to Superintendent Elsie Arntzen about the steps they're taking.
Montana Superintendent of Public Instruction Elsie Arntzen says the response to coronavirus has brought unprecedented changes for schools in the state.
Now we are remote learning across our state, and that looks so unique. From a very small setting, very rural school, to a very large school setting that we have.
She says the Office of Public Instruction has been in regular contact with school districts, administrators, teachers, and others since Governor Steve Bullock announced on March 15th that public schools would close. Arntzen said her office has been working on securing a series of waivers to make sure school districts have flexibility to respond. One of the first waivers from the U.S. Department of Agriculture allowed districts to distribute school meals to go. Another from the state gave more flexibility in transportation funding.
What that means then, meals can be delivered with a school bus. Packets of information from teachers can be delivered, as well as we can have technology being delivered.
On Thursday, the State Board of Public Education met to consider officially asking the federal government for a waiver from standardized testing requirements.
It's a constraint at this point in time in delivering remote education.
The changes could also have an effect on high school students, especially those close to graduating. OPI and the Montana University system already announced juniors will be able to take the ACT free in the fall instead of the spring. Arntzen said they are working with other states to make sure the change doesn't harm students looking to go to college out of state. When it comes to graduation, she said school boards will have the authority to waive some of the requirements if necessary.
I believe that is a perfect model of not just allowing one or two students that unique opportunity, but it could be an entire graduating class.
In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
Arntzen says she'll be also closely watching any legislation passed by Congress that would provide additional support for education.